Hello everybody. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to view two tabs at once of Microsoft Office Excel spreadsheet and uh, manipulate them at the same time. So first, open your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet and follow these simple steps. So basically, the basic idea is just to create two tabs of the same spreadsheet and have them here in your windows. To do this operation, we need to go to the View tab or to the View menu here. So we are going to click on the View tab, and there is something uh, concerning the window. So now there is two options. Either you can split your tabs or split your sheets, like select a cell here and split it so you can have them, you can control the same. As you can see, it's the same row here and here at the same time, just by splitting your sheet. You can just choose either just choose a row, or you can just choose a column like that and split it on the half, for example. And now you have the same sheet, and you can control them in both sides. As you can see, whenever I'm traveling or scrolling here, we have the same exact tabs. The other option is not using the split, but using a new window. So now, as you can see, I have this window that is called book one. So it's the same file that is called book. And if I click on new window, I will have the same exact file, but a second version, or it's not really a copy, but it's a new window of uh, the file. So as you can see, now I have two tabs of the Excel of the same file. So whenever I'm going to modify, for example, here, I'm adding a number, it will be added automatically here. So you can be, for example, having this one here, having the home ribbon opened at first, and you can, for example, control your data here and have two tabs controlled at once and at the same time. So basically, this is how you view two tabs at once in Microsoft Office Excel. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.